Hello and welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript. We're in the array section. This is arrays. Organizing and storing data is a foundational concept of programming. One way we organize data in real life is by making lists. Let's make one here. New Year's resolutions. 1. Keep a journal. 2. Take a falconry class. 3. Learn to juggle. Let's now write this list in JavaScript as an array. Let New Year's resolutions be assigned this list or array. Keep a journal, comma, take a falconry class, comma, learn to juggle. Arrays are JavaScript's way of making lists. Arrays can store any data type, including strings, numbers, and booleans. Like lists, arrays are ordered, meaning each item has a numbered position. Here's an array of the concepts we'll cover. Let concepts be assigned creating arrays, array structures, array manipulation. By the end of this lesson, you'll have another tool under your belt that helps you manage chunks of data. Instructions. Run the code to see what is logged to the console. Let's zoom out. Run this. So we do get logged out this array or list. We get keep a journal, take a falconry class, and learn to juggle, which is what's stored inside of our array. We'll be learning more about arrays in the next lessons, and I'll see you guys there.